Elsewhere, the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum is seeking to deepen knowledge in clean cooking and universal access to clean cooking solutions through the ongoing 4th Clean Cooking Week being held in Nakuru City. In partnership with development partners, the government hopes the event will spark innovation in the sector and accelerate access to clean cooking by the year 2028.
Kenya embarked on an ambitious journey to transition households from biomass to liquefied petroleum gas for household cooking as one of the solutions in clean cooking. This shift aims to achieve 100% coverage of LPG household reliance by 2028.
We really need to work on our mindset such that we embrace clean cooking and again see clean cooking not as a privilege of the haves and the have-nots.
Japan is providing financial support to UNDP's project, namely green recovery, through accelerated and transformative clean cooking action in Kenya.
Clean Cooking Week is an annual initiative aimed at promoting clean cooking solutions, raising awareness, and facilitating constructive dialogues on advocating for clean cooking at both national and county levels.
The use of clean cooking solutions in the wake of climate change is one matter that demands our immediate and collective action, and this annual event underpins the efforts by various stakeholders on this issue.
The 2023 Clean Cooking Week will feature discussions with the national and county governments, knowledge sharing, and media engagement focusing on promoting transformative innovations in clean cooking solutions. Alanako, Lunchtime News.